We have performed various strategic tools such as pest analysis, SWOT analysis to understand the top-down analysis of a company. After analyzing all this, we gather certain information from this analysis to understand, to arrive at the solution to revive Satya. So basically it is important to manage the damages which has caused and this crisis. So basically it involves looking through the situation and then thinking through what can be done to come out of it or making it into a positive term. So various approaches to manage the damages could be hiring a audit firm, law firm, basically who can actually handle all these lawsuits. Then we can actually engage with a firm who can perform this forensic investigation. Then we have select one committee who can actually handle all the media. Apart from this, we have to restate our financial statements. Then it is also necessary to manage our stakeholders also. Like one of the major concerns was the IT demand. Around 53 crores of demand was there. So basically, this has to be paid within 10 days. Otherwise, it will result into the freezing of the bank account. So we can actually file a request petition in TAPAL asking for the grace period. Apart from that, we also propose them a balloon structure of payment where we'll be making a smaller, then bigger payment to them. So next is we have to motivate our employees. That is a major concern over here. So basically in the organization, the top management who forms the policies and all that. But actually it's the employee who is like more connected to the customers, the clients, so they know what exactly the client, the customer needs. So they can better draft a solution than a top management. So we actually over here encourage the employees to provide a solution and feed it in the portal which we have created called as value portal. So once they feed in their suggestions in the value portal, it will be actually analyzed by a panelist which will actually giving them rating. So based on the ratings given by the panelist, we'll actually execute it not for the particular client but for all the clients. Apart from that, we have also decided to set up a private social media. So wherever like if you see the organization, we always have that hesitation to go and communicate with the top management and all that. So this platform will provide them a place where they can easily communicate, they can share their social personal life, and this will actually help them to build a good rapport within the organization. Apart from that, we'll also be providing them the daily updates and we'll be providing them this motivation by keeping this counseling, this 24/7 help desk and all